Well, hello, YouTube. Well, hello, YouTube. It's me, Handy Danny. And today I'm showing you a little video here. It's a little pro tip. If you ever had a drill bit and it has this little doohickey on it right here, and you're like, what the heck is that for? Why is there a sleeve? And as I start to drill in here, you see I got this screw, and I'm just gonna kind of make my mark here of where I need to put this screw at. And then what I'm gonna do is try to create that scenario. Sometimes I get a little bit of metal behind this wall and the screw starts bouncing around because it's not a self-tapper. So let me show you here. So right here, I start to screw in there and you see it bounces. Actually, it worked perfect the way I wanted it to. Show you guys this example right here once again. See how the screw's bouncing around and I can't get it to go in there. So when I go over here now and I take my sleeve and bring it down, watch what happens. I'm able to get the screw in there just fine, okay? And that's what that little sleeve there is for. So let me pull this back out. Might need an anchor now. Let me see here. I'll keep a couple of them in my pocket. All right, there's one right there. So let's go ahead and try to screw this in here. And see what happens. Okay, so I screwed it in, but you can see I can just snatch it right out. So I do need an anchor. And here's another pro tip here, since we're doing this here. I take this little another screw. I got this one still in here. You know, I'm just holding on to this right now, for now. And I'm gonna take this, I'm just gonna swing it around a little bit, and I'm able to get my anchor inside there. And you don't even have to get it all the way in. See how it's kind of hanging out just a little bit there? Go over here now. Put it right on that anchor. And it all works out perfect. All right, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.